In today's video, I'm going to teach you easy glowing neon effect with Canva. We're going to turn a simple word into a bold neon sign, and I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along with any Canva plan. Start by opening Canva and choosing a template or a blank canvas that matches your project. A simple layout works best for this effect because the text will be the star. Add a text box to your design, then type your word or short phrase. Keep it concise. Neon looks strongest with fewer characters. Next, change the font. Open the font menu and look for a bold, rounded typeface. If you see a font labeled neon, select it. These styles have thickness that helps the glow read well at a distance. Resize the text so it fills your layout comfortably, then reposition it. Centering often looks clean and professional, but feel free to place it where it balances your design. If your toolbar shows a neon-style preset, click it now to get a quick baseline glow. We'll refine it in a moment. Switch the background color to black. Dark backgrounds make neon pop by maximizing contrast, so this single change instantly boosts the effect. Click back on your text to select it, and change the font color to a bright hue. Electric blue, hot pink, lime, or violet are great choices. Vibrant colors amplify the illusion of light. Now, open the Effects panel and select the Neon effect. You'll see controls for intensity. Slide it down to preview a low-intensity glow. This creates a subtle, soft halo that's perfect if you want a more minimal, classy look without overwhelming your layout. To create a stronger sign-style glow, duplicate the text layer. With the duplicate selected, open Effects again and raise the intensity to high. Stack this duplicate directly on top of the original so the edges align. The combination of a lower intensity base and a high intensity duplicate enhances the core brightness while spreading the outer glow, just like real neon tubing. If the glow feels too hot, nudge the intensity down slightly or try a slightly darker shade of the same color to keep detail in the letter forms. A few quick tweaks can polish the result. Double-check the size so the glow doesn't crowd the canvas, adjust alignment for symmetry, and keep your color consistent across both layers. And that's it. Clean, glowing neon text in Canva, ready to use in posts, thumbnails, or posters. Try the same workflow with different colors and short phrases to build a cohesive neon style across your designs.